Hi, Sarah.
Hey, what's up?
Do you happen to like the show Rick and Morty?
I love it. Who doesn't?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's actually one of my favorite shows. Definitely favorite cartoon, but I would say favorite show.
Yeah.
Rick and Morty. It's a dope show, and I made this link shooter experience, this web VR experience, where you can have the Rick and Morty Portal Gun, and you can shoot portals to other VR worlds or 360 photos of your choosing.
That's super awesome. I love Rick and Morty because I really think the people who created it know a lot about brains. There's so many
Absolutely.
interesting questions there. And I love your demo, it's so much fun. There's something very interesting when we always connect this to neuroscience, right? So what is a place, right? How your brain perceives places. So there's an area in our brain that's called the hippocampus. And for a while now, they've known that these very specific neurons turn on based on places that you're in. Now recent research is sort of looking at it a bit differently and realizing that it's not just a place, it's like the whole context. The way you actually build a memory, the way you create your model is based on all this contextual information that a place is of course a very big part of it, right? Where we are as part of how we encode memories. And this is very interesting to think what VR will do to this ability, because we can just jump from context to context. We don't have to walk from place to place. We can just change everything, our whole environment, at least visual environment, with a click of a button, which is super cool that we can play with this now. And I encourage you to try this and maybe see internally how different environments can just make you feel. We chose these sort of interesting environments for the brain. Maybe one last thing you can try to think about is also using this for sort of learning and memory. A lot of these memory experts use geographic environments to build memory palaces. So they'll use these paths in their brain using visual imagery to remember different words or different types of numbers, if they know how to say pi and tell 1,000. So you can try doing that too, just experimenting. How can you, what will you feel like studying in one environment and using that same environment when you have to actually bring that information out.
Yeah.
So this is something that's very interesting that we might be seeing in upcoming years in VR. You can have a study room that's dedicated for remembering, I don't know, math, right?
Yeah.
And when you want to do math, you put yourself in that same VR environment, even if you're not really there. You might be in different places, and that might help you as well. Have fun.
Yeah, enjoy.